So the next part that we need to do is linear probing. This is a collision detection technique, uh, collision avoidance techniques. In this, if a particular location in an array is not available, then we are going to store the data basically in the next circular linear location which is available. So we are supposed to store the data. If the location is not available in the array, we are going to store the data in the next location which is circularly linearly available. So here is the data that has been given to us, and the table size is 10. So our array size is 10, and which is drawn right here. And our main hashing technique is going to be this one. The main hashing technique is going to be this one. And if suppose with this hashing technique we detect the collision, if we detect a collision, then if collision occurs, we are going to use one more hashing technique which is nothing but hash function, which we are going to use one more hash function which is this. In this, we will be taking the existing value from your hash function which you have already used and removed, and then plus I. Your plus I is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Its I is basically iterative in nature, modulus table size. You will be able to understand this better with the help of a function, help of an example. So let's begin with our example right here. So the first value that we have, for the first key that we have, is 89. So let's apply our hash function, that is this one, that is hk is equal to k mod 10, which is nothing but 89 mod 10. The answer that we get is 9. Is the 9th location in the array available? It's available. So just directly go and store 89th in this particular location. So we store 89 right here. So we are done with 89. Now the next key is basically 19. Sorry, this is 18. So the next key that we have on list is basically 18. So let's find the hash function for the same. It's 18 mod 10, which is nothing but 8. So is our 8th location available? 8th is right here, it's empty, so we can store our 18 data right here. So let's store it. So even our second value, that is 18, is done. Now we go to the third one, which is nothing but 49. So let's go to something called as the 49. So let's take our key as 49, apply a hash function which is nothing but k mod the table size. So 49 mod 10, the answer that we get is 9. Is the 9th location available? No, it is occupied. So we can't store 49 over here. So we have to find some another location for 49, and for that the collision has occurred. So we have to go to our next function. We have to go to our next function, hash function, which is nothing but this. So what does this function say basically? hk is equal to existing hk plus I modulus the table size, which is nothing but 10.